This 1967 Mercedes w108 250S is an S-Class. The 250S denotes the engine. It's a 6-cylinder gasoline engine with 2 carburetors, delivering 95 kilowatts of power. In its era, this car could reach a top speed of 180 kilometers per hour. It was regarded as the flagship model of Mercedes, embodying a notion of luxury. This Mercedes comes with disc brakes on all wheels, proving that even back then, Mercedes was ahead